Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Chicago Muslims Green Team welcomes you to Green Ramadan series. Also, I want to thank the speakers and organizations around the world who contributed to make this Green Ramadan series possible. Through these videos, during our blessed month of Ramadan, we will talk about green topics and how we can become Muslims with a Green Deen.
وهو الذي جعلكم خلائف الأرض.
This is the month of the Quran, and Allah SWT shared with us that we are guardians of the earth. We are green Khalifas, and we are responsible of taking care of our planet. And through the sunnah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad SAW, we can make small actions that will have a big impact. This Green Ramadan, we're gonna work on our Green Deen, reconnecting to Allah SWT, repair our heart, rethink our actions, reuse, reduce, and recycle to save our planet. Thanks for watching us today. Like this video and subscribe, and follow us on social media to discover more about the Green Deen with Chicago Muslims Green Team. Ramadan Mubarak! See you in the next video. Salam alaikum.